Welcome to a Family University Quick Tip, how to log on to the Schoology phone app. Just like logging in is different for parents and students on the computer, it's also different in the phone app. This is what the login screen looks like on your phone. If you're a student, you want to click on this white Puyallup School District box. If it doesn't already say Puyallup School District, you can type in Puyallup School District and search for it in the list. You want to choose the district and not your specific school because your account will last the entire time you're in the district and you won't be at the same school the whole time you're here. If you are a parent, you're going to log in with the blue button, not the white button. The white button will, after you choose Puyallup School District, ask for your email and password. But the blue button, when you click it, will ask for your email and password for your parent account. Once you log in, you'll go to your landing page. There's some navigation that you can learn about in other videos, but there's also 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen for quick switching between places. The clock icon takes you to the recent developments for that account. The grid icon takes you to the course dashboard to look at all the courses, and the calendar icon will take you to your account calendar. A couple reminders about using the phone app. You cannot create your account with the app. You need to do that in a browser at Schoology.com. Parent accounts will be able to access and view all of students' work, grade, discussion posts, etc., but you will not be able to see any information other students have posted. Also, if you would like to get phone notifications, you need to set them up in Schoology and also in your phone's settings, allowing the notifications there. Thanks for watching this Schoology Quick Tip. If you have any questions, please contact Help Desk at 253-841-8600.